下佢啦。我 just made salsa. Wow, you made a big bowl. This is a lot.
Pico de gallo.
Oh, pico de gallo.
What?
You did that.
What?
You did that.
You're crazy. Get away.
So I've been really liking using the cast iron to cook anything.
每一次用攻擊時候
What is that song? He's been singing that all night. 每次用攻擊時候 I feel like the lighting is not the best, so it's probably not doing this camera justice. This is the Olympus Pen F, so all of my Instagram photos, I shoot it with this camera, and I thought I would try to shoot some video on it. So I thought I would try to film a bit of this vlog with this camera and see how I like it. This is what staying up till 2 a.m. every single day of the week and eating chips and drinking soda will do to you. My dinner was dinner. This is so random. He has 3 veggie sausages, hash brown, 3 meatballs, and 3 eggs. I'm gonna go through my skincare routine. Tonight I want to do a face mask because as you can see, my skin is breaking out a little bit here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a mask to kind of help calm my skin down. I am testing out some new products that I've been really enjoying. I use different products in the morning and then I use different ones at night. Now that my skin is just changing as I'm getting older, in the morning I will use more of like my active ingredient products that fights acne, and then in the evenings I use things that are more hydrating. So this video is sponsored by Wish Trend. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't heard of them before, they are an online website where you can shop for skincare products. They have 8 different brands that they carry, and all of the brands that they carry are vegan and cruelty-free. Another thing I like about them is that for their packaging, they try their best to be eco-friendly. So you'll notice that they use less packaging as much as possible and paper packaging. So anyways, I have a few products that I've been really enjoying. This is the first one. This is the Klairs Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. So this is great because it just strips away all of the oil, makeup, dirt, and just like all the gunk that's on your face. It removes your makeup while also leaving your skin feeling nice and hydrated. It also has vitamins A, B, and C, and also antioxidants. It's just overall a really nice, gentle, but effective makeup remover. Okay, now for my mask. I'm gonna use this mask from it's the mugwort mask. It has 2.1% mugwort. The texture is really interesting, and this is just a nice cooling and calming gel mask. And I love that with this mask it's made of ingredients that you find in nature. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but the redness of this pimple, I feel like it already went down a little bit. Okay, so after the mask, I'm gonna go in with my skincare products. This one is from the brand I'm From, and it's the Fig Boosting Essence. It has 62.7% of fig extract. It penetrates deep into your skin to really moisturize your skin. This has peptides and amino acids in it, so it's going to form a moisture barrier on your skin. And it also offers anti-aging and antioxidant effects. It just feels so good. And then I follow up with this I'm From Rice Serum. So this serum has 73% rice germ fermented extract. It's rich in vitamin B, and it also has powerful antioxidants that's going to boost the production of collagen in your skin, which means it gives your skin more elasticity, which is what we are all looking for. And last but not least, of course, we have to finish off with a moisturizer. I have the rice serum, and then I'm going to use the rice cream. So this is really nice because it also helps regulate sebum production. My skin just looks so hydrated when I layer all these products together. This is also rich in ceramides, and it also helps improve the barrier of your skin from sun damage. So that's it. You can get 20% off with my code Weylie20 at wishtrend.com. So all the information will be down below, so make sure you check that out. That's it. I think I'm gonna end the night here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I am just lightly getting ready to go to my hair appointment. It's time I get these roots touched up. It's been a while since I last got my roots done. And my roots are definitely really grown in, so I'm just gonna get like some baby lights, I think, and what they call a root smudge. So here are my roots. I can see the roots are pretty grown in. I have like a few months of growth here. Wow, this color is so pretty. I love this color. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. I feel like the long layers are coming back. About 2 years ago, I was really all about the one length blunt cut, but now I'm really loving just this wispy, long layered look. For my cut, I asked for U-shaped long layers. And then as for the color, I asked for just like a cool, dark brown. Whew. I'm home, I'm so hungry, so the fastest thing that I'm gonna make is just eggs and rice. My kitchen is such a mess right now. You're stressing me out. But it's okay, it's okay. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to cleaning it in a bit. Breathe. Look at how dry my rice is. This has been sitting in the rice cooker for, I think, almost 2 days. I like to add soy sauce onto my rice and eggs. That's how you do it. Okay. I'm so hungry. What is going on in here? Ta-dang! Ta-dang! Oh, Navi! My baby is not feeling too well after his shot. He was feeling fine last night and I thought maybe he would just be fine. Hello. Here you go. These are pretty good. I like the texture of these a lot, and I'm gonna make some for Wall because he's feeling horrible right now, and this might be nice and comforting. Oh. I'm gonna get you. I'm so proud of how much this has grown. And the shape of it has changed so much too. Last year around spring, it was just growing in one big like cluster, and then we put the trellis on both sides, and now we're kind of helping it guide this way, and it's just coming in so nicely. This color is so pretty. This one is growing in all sorts of directions. I thought that this color died off, but suddenly it came back to life. And then I recently added these little guys here, and then I got these little flowers. I thought these were really cute. I planted it right after Miso's passing, and I thought maybe, you know, he'll still be here in spirits in the backyard and he may like seeing some of these pretty flowers. So I planted them to remember him. Go pick up some medicine for Wall. He is definitely not feeling good right now, so I think I'm gonna go and get him cold medicine, like cold and flu medicine. I'm not looking forward to when it's my turn. Okay, let's go. Wow, this camera quality is so much better. I was just watching over the clips and I feel like the quality of those clips weren't the best. So I'm just gonna film with my Canon instead. I'm just sick and tired of the things that we cook at home. I wanna be healthy. I'm trying to be healthy. No. I feel like we're constantly in a recipe rut. Maybe we should go back to HelloFresh. We haven't had HelloFresh in a long time.
There's Patagonia clams.
What is this, backpacking
Mussels?
food?
Yeah.
조금 더 가까이 다가와줘 그대 이대로 내 곁에 머물러줘 그대 누가 뭐라 해도 괜찮은 거니까 조급해하지 마 시간은 충분해 그댄 빛에 취해 세상이 변한 것 같아 가물었던 내 모든 것들도 조금씩 천천히 내게 다가와 줄래 지루했던 나의 지난 날이야 goodbye
I'm getting sleepy. I am finishing up the edits for this vlog, and yeah, I thought I'd close it out since I was talking about sesame and everything. I thought I would update some of you on here because I realized I didn't really talk about it. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have heard the sad news that Miso passed away earlier this month, and his passing was very, very shocking. He was so healthy leading up to it, and he suddenly got sick on a Friday morning. He had what's called liver lobe torsion, which basically is where a lobe of the liver twists. And unfortunately, when we found out, he was already in organ failure. We're not really sure how things went downhill so quickly because he was seeing the vet prior to that. His blood work was pretty normal. Some liver and kidney values were elevated, but it wasn't anything too crazy. I don't know what could have prevented it or what even went wrong because he was generally a very healthy rabbit. I could finally talk about it more without feeling too emotional, and I wanted to talk about it now because, you know, I wanted to give myself time to process all the emotions and be ready to talk about it. I would like to think that his life, his 6 years of life, was very, very fulfilled. You know, when I think back or even look back at pictures with Miso, he was always so happy, and
he was just the happiest bunny. He jumped around freely, you know, we hardly ever put him like in a small space besides when we were bonding him or when we lived with more rabbits, then we had to keep them separated. But otherwise, that's something that I'm so glad, because I feel like he's always had the freedom and the space and the ability to just be free and happy. Even though I'm still heartbroken and still coping with the loss, for everyone who misses him as well, thank you so much. And I've had so many thoughts where I was like, maybe this is how things were supposed to play out. I don't know why in my mind I always thought that Miso was going to live longer. I don't know if it was just because he was always so full of life, while Sesame is more reserved and calm. And selfishly, I've always wanted to, I don't know how to put this, but I've always thought that it would be easier if Sesame went first, because I was so worried about her having to lose her partner, because she was so close to him, and you guys know she's really shy. So I never wanted to, or I was scared to face her being without him. Had it been the other way around, I feel like because Miso is so social and he's so close to us and the dogs, he will transition okay. But you know, the more I thought about it, the more I realized that this is probably the only opportunity I would get to really bond with Sesame, because now she has no choice. I am very hopeful to be able to help her come out of her shell. I'm slowly starting to see her personality come out more and more, and I'm just really grateful that she is, you know, letting me in. It really sucks. But, you know, I think any pet parent, we always have to kind of prepare for this day. And if any of you are also grieving the loss of a pet, you know, just take it day by day. I let myself cry whenever I need to. Losing a pet always feels like this loss, like they're just gone and they've just disappeared. I've been feeling a little comfort by thinking, you know, it's okay for you to think of him, and you can think about him whenever you want, and his memories is what keeps him alive. That's all for this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.